We are at Garade. It's just 16 kilometers from Jyoti restaurant on NIBM Road. And I have the honor and pleasure of being with this developer friend of mine. So I call him Mustafa. Mustafa is a filmy name, and here he is smiling at early morning. We are at Garade because I really wanted to enjoy the luxury of nature. And nature is the best luxury, more than the luxury which these builders are making. So in this lovely fine location of Garade, where he has selected this development of plots, where also he's made a beautiful farmhouse, as I will show you once I take. I just wanted to ask him if he can explain what inspired you, Mustafa, to develop this beautiful scenic location plots.
Basically, I had come with my cousin once, a long time back. So he had a farmhouse. I mean, I had not intended to, start a plotting project over here. So I just came over here. I saw his farmhouse and all. It was really beautiful. And then somehow
So you came for buying your own?
No. I had just come for enjoyment.
Okay, so you are a lover of nature, I'm sure.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I mean,
so that has become your passion and your
that has
profession.
become my passion.
And how do you identify this location? Because of the connectivity?
Because of the connectivity
And
from
the close
NIBM,
proximity, just 16 kilometers.
Just 16 kilometers. It's just 30 minutes from Jyoti restaurant. That is the best
And
part
you're
of it.
far away from the noise and din of
Yeah,
pollution of city
That's
life.
right. And there's no traffic and all. Once you just go in from Jyoti, you
And
come
proper
over here.
tar roads. Huh? I'm surprised
proper.
myself. Just 15 minutes we reached here. Early morning we wanted to catch the morning rising sun. And we are in this superb log house that he has made. Oh my. What I saw in the 52 Greens video, I'm actually seeing it. This is your dining area, kitchen area. You have 2 bedrooms. And all this you created for 7 lakhs.
Yeah.
Such a sturdy farmhouse. Musti, you are a genius. You are an artist. And 52 greens. You calling this 52
Yeah,
greens?
this is 52 green hills.
52 green hills. Oh,
Because
wow.
it's on a hill.
And what are the plans? You have 12,000 square feet plots,
I have
11,000.
12,000 square feet, 10 plots. You can see, how. For example, you see this boundary?
Yeah.
This you enter inside, so this will go into 2 parts.
Mm-hmm. You carry on. I'm
Yeah.
just enjoying this beautiful design of this log house.
Okay.
I had seen it in the conceptual video,
Uh-huh.
and today I'm really seeing the real log house.
Okay.
So yes, carry on. What were you mentioning?
So you can have a log house, you can have a garden area and all, and over here
And
can
you have a
artificial-
sloping land where you can divide it into two
two
parts
and you can
with
have
steps.
artificial water body down with kids play area.
The breeze is so pure and fresh. Huh? You can hear the birds chirping.
This is the right time actually in the morning.
And the
Yeah,
minimum
the
size is
sunrise
about
and sunset.
11,000 square feet.
Minimum
What is
is
the
11.
area of this log house?
This is 400 square feet.
400 looks huge
Yeah.
with windows, beautiful doors. What is the wood that you have used?
This is pine wood.
And the terraces that you have given on the front and the back, sit out areas.
Yeah.
And you're saying you can give this all for 7 lakhs
Yeah.
with electrical connections points.
Yeah, you can.
So a total package for a 11,000 square feet plot with a 400
It'll
square
go
feet,
around about 50 lakhs total.
just in the heart of the city.
Yeah.
You consider it as a good investment?
Of course, yeah, definitely. The future is very nice.
And what is
You
the
see
rate
the
of
roads
the
and all. I
plot?
mean, we came across. You see the roads and all. Everything is done.
That I agree. I
Yeah.
really appreciate because I've seen all the plotting that's happening in my Pune, all the 4 directions. I don't think I've seen a better deal than what you're giving.
And everything is coming over here. The south of Pune. Everything is packed. Undri, Mohammed.
All modern townships.
Yeah. Now
And
all
just-
big builders and everyone is taking land.
And malls, I saw Doraji Mall and I saw that D-Mart over here is bigger than our Viman Nagar.
Right. It's all coming up.
So, friends, I think if you are looking for a second home, a farmhouse, in fact, I won't call it a second home. I just told Musti that I can stay here and drive down to my workplace. It just takes me 20 minutes. Why should I live in that noise pollution and traffic? I would rather live over here. Just travel in 20 minutes. I reach my workplace. And I get it for so cheap. This I won't get in the heart of the city for even 2 crores.
So Pankaj will come with his luggage tomorrow.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
settle him over here.
Mine is over here for sure. The best place to retire, boss. So let's connect with him. I'll be sending you a lot of information on the newsletter of all the beautiful development that my dear friend Mustafa Kachwala from Classic Homes.
Yeah.
But this is his 52 Greens. Another, he has created another beautiful luxury of nature, which is calling
Seven Wonders.
Seven Wonders.
Yeah. This is just 4 kilometers away from here.
It's just 4 kilometers away. And now he's decided that all his life he's going to develop beautiful nature land for people who want to retire back and connect back with nature.
That's right.
Mustafa, you're really great. At a young age, you're giving clean title. Clean title?
Yeah,
I'm sure.
of course.
No headaches, clean transaction,
Right.
and beautiful use of your land. Just not buy land, fence it, and keep it.
Yeah, I mean, basically, there has to be something. I mean, the plotting can be done, but just to put the life in that, that's the
That's
main
what
part.
you mentioned, that people
Yeah.
buy plots but they don't use it.
They don't
Here I
use
can really bring your family, friends, have a nice fun time.
Yeah.
And the money is growing.
Money is growing, you have.
More
Fun.
appreciation than constructed retail properties, what I'm seeing.
Definitely, there's no depreciation in land, right?
Yeah, and you don't.
Doesn't
God doesn't
appreciate.
make land anymore, like my friend Ravi Verma says. So this is very good. You're hunting for good, clear title land, doing all the hard work to give your customers such a beautiful green space in the midst of the city. That
Definitely.
effort, I think, I should appreciate.
Thanks, Paul.
So, friends, we are going to have continuous information via his newsletters and various videos that will give you updates about what Classic Homes and Mustafa is doing. Keep in touch with him and hope we can do lots together for making life beautiful on planet Earth. Thanks, Mustafa.
Thanks, Pankaj.